Hello everyone guys, and in today's video we're always gonna dive into Bitcoin's chart. What's going on guys and what does it all mean for us? But before we start our video, I have to say that we gotta be prepared for the collapse. So I said it to you. So basically we see that if we switch to the daily time frame right here, we can see that Bitcoin is still trading in a downward trend, which means that the maximums and minimums are still increasing. And at the same time, the first rule in a downward trend, we know that all the bounces we first of all deem as bounces, not as reversals, guys. And right here, previously we had a bunch of bounces, because right here, Bitcoin hit the support level at 80k. After that, Bitcoin gave this upward movement, upward bounce for approximately 22%. And after that, when Bitcoin hit the resistance level at approximately resistance areas, $98,000, $100,000 resistance area, Bitcoin got rejected from the resistance level, and since that moment Bitcoin was falling for approximately 38%. After that, Bitcoin again put low at approximately 60k. Bitcoin gave this upward move for approximately 38%. When after that Bitcoin hit the resistance level at 82,000, Bitcoin got rejected and again updated the lowest price of 2026. And if we see the daily time frame right here, we can see that Bitcoin is literally tended to update the lowest price of 2026 again and again. So what previously the lowest price of 2026 was at approximately 60k. By this moment, Bitcoin updated the lowest price and put another low at approximately 59,130. After that, Bitcoin gave this upward move for approximately 13.5%. After that, Bitcoin updated the lowest price of 2026, gave an a bit upward movement, and again update the lowest price of 2026 and put the lowest price of 2026 at approximately 57,800. And Bitcoin since that moment has not touched this level, which means that the lowest price of 2026 is still 57,800. And right here we see that Bitcoin previously gave these bounce for approximately 16%, and when Bitcoin hit the resistance level at $67,000, Bitcoin finally got rejected. And right here we can see that the momentum of the bounce literally faded. And yesterday Bitcoin closed this daily candle this way. It is the bearish engulfing, because this bearish candle literally engulfed previous 3 green candle, which means that sellers literally do prevail over the bars. And if we switch to the 1 hour time frame right here, we can see that Bitcoin previously, if we talk about swing trend, Bitcoin was trading in a swing upward trend, because these minimums was increasing, were increasing, these maximus were increasing either. But previously, quite recently, Bitcoin again started to decrease its own minimum and maximus, because right here maximum started to decrease again, and Bitcoin previously finally broke below this diagonal support level on which the trend was stick on. Because right here, Bitcoin has confirmed this diagonal support level here, here, and here. Previously, Bitcoin again has confirmed this diagonal support level, but Bitcoin finally broke it below, which means that the swing upward trend is literally done. So basically, right here we can see. And Bitcoin previously was trading in a swing upward trend. Trend has changed to the downward again. Bitcoin previously was trading in a divergence, because these maximus were approximately equal. This maximus was not approximately equal. This maximus was increasing for a long period of time. The momentum of the bounce literally faded. Bitcoin has a bunch of liquidity below each of these extreme point, and as we know, as fact, smart money is gonna grab the liquidity anyway. And this is something like the work of smart money. They have to grab the liquidity, especially below each extreme point, as we see right here. Bitcoin is still trading in a downward trend. Bitcoins tend to update the lowest price, and so on. So basically, due to that factor, as I said previously, I'm expecting a continuation of a current downward move towards the support level at 61k. After that, we will see. And I think when Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin is as a condition hit the support level at 61k, we may see in a bit upward bounce, or something like a pullback. Due to that fact that it's anyway support level, around support level, we may see in a bit upward bounce, because some short traders may close their short position right here, and due to that fact it may cause some upward bounce. But this bounce I think might be 1-3%, but after that the momentum of the bounce I think will fade, and we may see an acceleration, a continuation of a downward move with breaking below the support level at 60k. And as I said previously, Bitcoin tend to update the lowest price of 2026. The lowest price of 2026 right now is 57,100, and I think when Bitcoin break below 60k, we may see an acceleration toward the extreme liquidity point, the lowest price of 2026, because below each lowest price, especially lowest price of 2026, especially our current year, we may see that smart money will be grabbing liquidity below this level, and I think it's just only a matter of several days when Bitcoin will be updating the lowest price of 2026 again, guys. So basically, due to that factor, as I said previously, I'm expecting a downward move, a continuation of a current correction, a continuation of current downward move, current downward trend toward the support zone at 60-61k. After that, we will see. And I think that just only a matter of several days when Bitcoin will be updating the lowest price of 2026 again, guys. So basically, that was just my take, my view, not financial advice, guys, just my thoughts on Bitcoin, and that's it. So, subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for your view. See you later, guys. Bye-bye. And I record this video almost every single day. Bye-bye, and not financial advice, guys, just my thoughts. Bye-bye.